Kit 262 Series Installation Instructions for 4x4 Wood Posts. Install the tensioning end first, with a 3.5-inch long receiver shown here. Slip the stainless steel flat washer over the body of the receiver and insert the receiver into the post. Start the threaded stud attached to the cable into the receiver and turn 3 complete turns. This will thread about 1/2 of the stud into the receiver. Slip the stainless steel flat washer over the body of the pull-lock fitting. Push the cable into the hole in the front of the pull-lock fitting. Twist the cable in the right-hand direction as you push it into the fitting. Push the pull-lock fitting along the cable and firmly into the hole in your post. Push it in with your hand as tightly as you can while pulling the cable through. Cut the cable flush with the hole in the back of the fitting using a cutoff wheel. Press the cap onto the lip of the pull-lock fitting. Go to the other end and tension the cable by holding the cable securely to prevent it from turning while you tension the receiver with an Allen hex wrench. Be careful to protect the cable from damage while tensioning. Tension in sequence, beginning with the outside cables and moving back and forth toward the center. Finished cables should be tensioned to have only 1/4 inch of play when finger pulled.